Did you know you can make chicken fried rice in the air fryer with microwave rice bags? It's only over £1 per portion to make and 374 calories a bowl. All the ingredients are listed on screen, but add your rice to a bowl with all of those, some peas, onion and carrots. Give that a mix. Then all you need to do is coat your chicken in some low calorie spray, salt and curry powder. Air fry that for 7 minutes at 200 and then toss in your rice and veg. Cook for another 5 minutes. And that's it. Serve with curry sauce and enjoy.